Hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, what's in the bag, Tom? Well, well over a month ago, probably a month and a half ago, I was walking through Sam's and they had chuck roast on sale. So I bought a 2-pack and I came home and I vacuum sealed them. I put a little Zangs on there and then a little bit of the Montreal steak seasoning and vacuum sealed them. Threw them into the freezer. Last night decided to pull one out because I could go for pulled beef sandwiches today. And I tell you what, those leftovers for chili during the week. So I'll tell you what, let's take a look at what we're gonna cook them on today. Get it out of the bag and put it on the grill. Well, of course I'm gonna cook on the pellet grill today and on the Pellet Pro. Right now we're on low smoke. Low smoke is 160. You can see 159. We got some smoke rolling out of there. I'll tell you what, people are always looking to see that thick, heavy smoke, and you can barely see it, but you want that thin blue smoke. And that's what's coming up. That's what gives you the taste. That's what gives you the smoke ring. And this pellet grill, folks, this pellet grill does it. So let's enough of that. Let's get that chuck roast on, shall we? All right, just put the chuck roast on in the land of grills here. Here's a little bit more of the collection. Got this Blackstone tailgater. Did a bunch of mods to it. Tom Horseman at YouTube, and you're looking at that Weber kettle and going, ooh, what's going on with that? Yeah, I did some mods to that too. I like to modify my grills, folks. But let's take a closer look at our chuck roast. Just put it on. We've got a little water. I'm gonna spray like once every hour. Remember, smoke likes to stick to wet meat. So there it is. I got no probe in there because I kind of know how long this takes a long time. So we're gonna get it up to an internal of about 165. We're gonna wrap it with a little juice in there and maybe a little broth, vegetable broth or beef broth if I have it. And then we're gonna take it up into 205, above 205. The chuck roast for some reason doesn't like to pull until it's above 205. So we'll give you a couple look-sees along the way, and I'll tell you what, it's gonna be delicious. All right, folks, 2.5 hours in. I'm gonna bump stuff up because it's almost noon. Let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, I get some nice smoke on there, nice color. So we're gonna bump this up to mid and keep on going. I did take an internal, and right now we're right around 95. I want to get to about 165 before I wrap it, so keep on watching. All right, folks, one last look before we wrap it. Everybody's always asking what I'm using. So I've got this blend that I blended myself of some hickory and some charcoal hickory, and I really can't tell the difference sometimes, but I'm trying. So give you one more look here before we wrap. Just took a temp, and it's anywhere between 140, 145, depending upon where I stick it. Oh man, nice color on that. So like I said, probably another half an hour, and then I'm gonna wrap, give you another look-see. All right, oh man, look at the color on there. We're gonna add some taters to that. And then a little bit of vegetable stock. Just so it's covering a 1/4 inch of the pan. Cover this with tin foil, turn the grill up, and take it till she's above 205. 210-ish is where this stuff likes to pull the best. So keep on watching. All right, folks, took it off the grill. Been rusting for about 45 minutes. Let's just take a quick look, shall we? Pulling apart. Oh man, look at that. Got some nice meat there, folks. Let's take a quick look here before we make some sandwiches, because I want you to see that. But it's hot. Ooh, man. You can see the, let's get this little piece here. You can see the smoke ring. Pretty nice. Tell what, I'm not going to let you see anymore because this is really nice. If you're trying to practice doing a brisket or something like that, if you can make a chuck roast pull, then you can do a brisket. Nicely done. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Folks, I'm going to eat, make some sandwiches, and then the leftovers are going to go in the chili. So keep on watching. I'll show you how to make chili with this chuck roast.